Clean the Wellness Lady, and today I want to do a product demo. I want to share with you the Get Clean Hand Dish Wash Soap. I want to show you how to use it, and I want to show you how it's going to save you and your family so much money. So let's talk about those money savings first. So I like to write the date that I open a bottle on the bottle to just track how much money I'm saving. This bottle I opened on April of 2018. I anticipated I would run out of this in July, so I went and pulled one off the shelf, a new one, and I put July 2019 on here. Truth is, I just ran out last week of this, which was in August of 2019. So I made it about 3 more weeks with the what was left in the bottom and appeared to be gone. So I want to show you how super concentrated this non-toxic hand dish soap is. I don't know about you, but I hand wash dishes every day because I have my certain cups that can't go in the dishwasher. I do my blender. So I'm washing dishes every day. But I want to show you where the magic is, how to save the money. I believe one of the magic tricks is to use the Shaklee Miracle Sponge. So I'm going to demonstrate washing a glass with you. And so here we go. I'm going to bring the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so the thing about all Shaklee cleaners is they're super duper concentrated. Well, hands are wet, but I'm gonna bring this down a little more so you can't see. All right, there you go. All right, so they're super concentrated. So I wet my sponge, I got it good and wet. Now I'm going to take my concentrate and I'm going to put 2 drops. 1, 2, really, that is all that it's gonna take. Now I'm gonna add lots and lots of water and get those bubbles going. And then, check this out. Oh, gotta make sure you can see this. So this is made with natural surfactants, and that's why it works so well, is it just gets in under under the dirt, breaks the surface tension so you can quickly remove any dirt, residue, food, those types of things from your dishes. And that is a nice clean dish. We'll put that over there to dry. And then I want to show you another trick. So you might want to fill your sink up with sudsy water. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Again, 1, 2, that's really all you need, people. Then you're going to put on your aerator, and now you're getting bubbles. So that is the secret. Now, have you ever left like your protein shake, have you ever left it in the cup and then tried to clean it? So here's my secret. Take some of our all-purpose Basic H concentrated solution, spray your cup or your blender, and then let it soak, because this is how all of these cleaners work. They work with natural surfactants. They need a little bit of time to soak and soften and release that surface tension so the dirt, the residue is removed from the surface. And so it really, really works. You just got to give it a few minutes to soak, or sometimes, longer to soak. I hope you've enjoyed it. These products are safe for you. They're safe for your planet. They're safe for your pets, because think about this. When you wash dishes like this cup, there might be a little bit of residue left. And so you want to make sure that it is something that is non-toxic if it's getting in your mouth. Okay. If you want to know more, be sure to ask your Shaklee distributor how you can order the hand dish soap that'll last you a year or more. Or even, I recommend our entire Get Clean starter kit, so you can replace all the cleaners in your home for a very low cost. It's going to save you over $200 a year in buying cleaning products. Take care and have an amazing day.